modern car, they said. What it is look like to change a thermostat, the main thermostat on those 2.0 TDIs these days, and the DSG thermostat as well. When you change him as well, because they know to fuck people around. But this time I need to change the main one. Look what you need all the disassemble. This is the main one. Male piece of shit. And always buy this O-ring because you don't get one with the new thermostat. And this is the DSG one, and change him as well, but even I knew it is okay. But when I change them, I change them both. New cars, they said.